Hey everyone, doing my pink today. So I'm starting out with Playhouse, which is the liquid eye shadow in pink. And I'm going to take that pretty shimmer color and put that on the lid. It's like a nice neutrally pink, kind of mauve-y. I'm really excited that Wet n Wild didn't mess up, and yesterday was the release day and it's still available this morning. The new Sanrio collection. I'm going to use that transition color. It's a pink and matte. It's matte, so that's why I like to use that as the transition color. My Black Panther, and put that in the crease to give it more definition. And blend it out. And then I'm going to use the Electric Daisy for the highlight color, the brow bone color. So yeah, I got my order in as soon as it became available. I got up about 8:30 and I got my order in. It was 8:30 Pacific time, 10:30 Central. So I ordered it. Since they've been messing up this spring, you know, Walmart exclusives, Walgreens exclusives, I anticipated problems, but there was none. So I was really happy about that. Hopefully there's no screw ups and I get my package. So now I'm going to put in the light pink in the inner half of my eye, and then that darker, looks more like a fuchsia purple on the outer. Now that fuchsia purple one, it looks like the glitter's only on top. So I'm going to finish, clean up, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone. So this is the finished look. I used Drop the Beat. I put pink lip liner and Drop the Beat on that. And now I'm gonna do Tipsy over that. This is the High Shine lipstick, and this is the gloss. And it's very shimmery, the gloss. Oh, why did my face turn yellow? So I am sorry for the camera. My face looks yellow. I don't know what happened. But I feel like this gloss gives it a nice little touch because it's so shimmery. And hopefully, maybe because I'm moving around, because sometimes the sparkly background messes with my face. So I'm really sorry that my face looks yellow right now. I don't know what's happening. But in my hair, I just, trying to finish up my hair chalks. I had some pink left. I figured for the pink look, I'll put the pink. I did bleach my hair again, and I was very frustrated because I used 4 scoops because I had a good inch of darker hair, and the back is all dark. I don't know if you could see. And so what I did was, since I wasn't just doing the top, I was trying to get in the back. So I did my roots, and they kind of came out like a, like an orangey gold color. And then on the back, I put a ton of it too, because I want to put the yellow in the back. So I need that to lighten. And it's like it barely did anything to the back. I don't get what happened. And my scalp was burning, but it really barely took to the back. It's still dark, as you can see. But the top, it took to. And I use a plastic bag in my hair to to hold in the heat. So I'm really not sure what happened with that. So that's kind of frustrating. I finished my powder. I still have a little bit of the hair, the 4D developer. I would never buy that again. My hair just comes out in chunks. My hair's so thin. I don't mind it that much that my hair is thin. I don't mind my hair being so thin because it's summer and I have super thick hair. But I would never do the 4D developer again. So I'm just gonna I have whatever I have left. I guess I'll probably use up by that time. And I'm gonna get 2 packs of the powder and just try to get that back lifted so I can get that yellow in there. And as for my nails, the bleach that I put in my hair, and my nails were already weak from the wraps, and the bleach that it destroyed my nails. My nails just started, all the way down here. It like just broke off. This one broke off, and I think there was another one. And I'd say, you know what? I am just gonna cut them all short, really short, and try to start over. But so that's what happened with that. So yeah, you can get Sanrio does not have the whole collection. I'm not sure why, but yeah, go to wetandwild.com. They still have the box sets, and they have the individual. Ulta and Ulta was not supposed to sell it so early. I don't think it really matters, but yeah, it says get it now at wetandwild.com, Sanrio.com, and Ulta.com. And I guess they know Ulta released it in the beginning of the month, and now I know I need to check Ulta when they announce collections, because I remember last year I got my Pac-Man from Ulta early as well. I got it I ordered it early July, and I got it before it released on Wet n Wild, and I prefer that because I hate the stress. Like right now, just as processing, I probably won't see that for at least 2 weeks. With Ulta, you get it like within 2 or 3 days. So yeah, and right now my confidence in Wet n Wild is at low after what they did this summer. But anyway, yeah, so just gonna try and lighten the back, and then I'll do the rainbow. So the rainbow is gonna be a little bit more out there. So yeah, by the time I get that other one, I should be almost finished with this. I really do like this collection. I hate what I have to go through to get it, but I really like it. And so yeah, hopefully by the time I get it, I probably should only have like maybe 2 of these left to do. I'm not sure. Okay, I will see you guys next week. Mwah.